Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Features also include power liftgate, satellite radio, rear view camera, blind spot monitor, panorama sunroof. We are pleased to show you the 2019 F-PACE. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power liftgate, brake assist. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.